from the hesitation, hiccup, sneeze, or right down at the end, all of a sudden, came out of the hole. Sign of that said 1942. You're exactly right. 1942 Chevrolet of the military. Well, the three over there on the grandstand side of things. 314, 725 is your leader. That's about to change. Get the job done. I don't know. We'll find out. Flag is out for Tanya. She puts it right down where she laid it down before. Right straight down the center of the track. We talked about as she made her first pass a minute ago that was pretty. We'll see if she can duplicate it distance-wise as well. Tanya Moss. Keep your string intact, I think, Dwayne. I'm not sure. We'll wait.